What's good? What's good? What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good? Hey guys, want to shoot this video today. I want to talk about my journey that I'm doing with Power Mining Pool. Just kind of showing you what I'm doing here. Kind of earn me a little income. Nothing major, nothing big. But first things first, before I start this video, since I am talking about crypto, I'm in a little different space, so I got to kind of put some information out there and things out there. If I'm showing you a video, I am not telling you to join any of this. This is solely at your own will. I'm not telling you to go out and do anything stupid. If you know, I come from network marketing. Network marketing, number one thing that I always tell people is that always do research on what you want to actually be a part of or be involved in. I don't guarantee anything in any type of business. You can lose money. I've seen it happen in brick and mortar. I've seen it happen online. I've seen it happen in the crypto space. So I leave that information out there. Now you pretty much you join these companies at your own will. I'm nobody's financial advisor to tell you what to do and what not to do, how much you're gonna make, what you're gonna make. I just tell you what the company says, hey, that this is what they can pretty much, this is what their goal and objective is. So that's their goal. I'm not guaranteeing you anything, okay? But I'm letting you know what I'm doing here, okay? So now that I said that, pretty much here, just kind of want to show you guys my balance as far as where I'm at. Right now I'm at 263.40, which I can either buy 5 shares or I can withdraw. Now, pretty much here, guys, for you guys that might have questions, what is Power Mining Pool? Power Mining Pool pretty much is a program that mines 7 different altcoins, and they pay out every 3 hours. So they pay you in cryptocurrency. So it's Bitcoin in, Bitcoin out. Pretty much on that. So that's why I want to always kind of I've shot a couple videos just kind of breaking it down, showing the compensation plans. So let me kind of go over here, and this is what the objective is here, guys. So some people they'll go in, they'll bring people in. If you're gonna bring people in, I just say be careful. Let people know what they're getting into, letting them know these are high yield investment programs and anything can happen. These programs are not promised to be here. You can wake up tomorrow and this program could be down. So I like putting this information out there, man. You gotta understand this. This is crypto. Like I said, network marketing, we didn't have to go this deep. But man, I gotta go deep in crypto, man, because people will try to blame you for them not being successful. People will try to blame you for them for the system going down, guys. I'm not back office. I mean, I don't know, what the plans are in the background. So I'm not going to guarantee that this program is going to be around for the next 2-3 years. I'm not going to guarantee that. Okay. So that's why I wanted to put that information out there again. So when you're purchasing shares when in Power Mining Pool, they mine up to 7 different cryptocurrencies. Pretty much they pay that in the euro, and pretty much here they pay out 24/7. They pay you in the euro value when they mine the coins. Okay, so when they say they're paying out 8 different income stream, is that when they do that, when they pretty much exchange it out in Bitcoin, that's the 8th income stream there. So they pay out every 3 hours to your e-wallet. So once you compound up to about $50, that's when you can either purchase a new share or you can withdraw your funds. Some people, I've heard they're just withdrawing as soon as they get to $50, or they might do 2 to 3 shares and then they withdraw their initial investment or whatever they did. It's totally up to them. I mean, their initial amount that they pretty much put into their side, how many shares that they purchased. So that's why I wanted to kind of share that information. And now each purchase will earn you up to 70 shares. So that's why I say this portion right here, you gotta be careful with. They say it will earn you up to. So they say it will earn you 70. So they're pretty much saying that. Okay, and that's where you gotta be careful at. So I always say is this. I'm always gonna say it earns you up to. So up to could be 3 cents. It can be 6 cents. I'm just staying covered, man, for the alphabet boys, the SECs, and all them, man. So that's my thing. I gotta keep pressing this. Know what you're getting into if you're going to be definitely looking into crypto. Please know what you're getting into. For Christ's sakes, know what you're getting into. Okay? If you choose to share Power Mining Pool with others, you will earn affiliate commission paid through 10 different levels of referrals. The commissions are paid on all pool shares. Okay? So on your first level, 10%, second level, 5%, third level, 4%, fourth level, 3%, fifth level 5, and 6 on up to level 10, you earn 1% on each share that someone in your downline actually purchases from the company. So that's pretty much how it works on that end, guys. So if you're new to crypto, on that end, then you want to learn how to go in and do Coinbase, and set you up a Coinbase, which I can show you how to do that. And I kind of got some things that I in line that shows you how to go on Coinbase and do your thing. And then everything else walks you right through as far as if you wanted to actually do your thing with this. Not saying that you have to, not saying that you need to, just letting you know what I'm doing, what I'm playing around in on my own little time here. So I'm not telling people they need to do this. I'm not guaranteeing you to do this. Okay, nothing. All right, but I just wanted to kind of give you a quick update of PMP, what's going on, guys, at where I'm at. Okay, so it's still running, it's still working smoothly, nothing's going on. It is a bloodbath right now in the crypto markets, man. It is. It's just IOTA look like it's doing okay, but it's a bloodbath, man, right now. So we're still making money in the space, doing what we got to do, but everything is gonna go good, man. So like I said, I just really want to shoot this video, man, just to kind of show you where I was at with Power Mining Pool, what I'm doing here. So I'm gonna wrap this video on up. I'm gonna go ahead and shoot another video about the conversion pros. That's my baby. So definitely tune into that. This your boy Jay. I'm out. You guys have a beautiful and blessed day. Peace.